And we're open. There's a couple of high pins in the middle. There's a serrated guy way in the back that gives me the false set. I'm a little bit quiet because it takes me a few tries to get into this little jerk. Plus, you've seen somebody pick a master lock before, so. The gutting procedure is easy, I just suck. We're going to get the picks out of the way so I can just dump stuff out in front of you. We'll leave that screw in there. You don't actually need it. Cord just falls on out. This one has a small amount of weirdness in the latch. The key can rotate a good amount if you let it. Come on, you little bastard. Helps if I use the little one. There we go. Key goes in the key place. AAA battery goes in the back end. Ho-ho. No, it doesn't. Ooh. Well then, we are gonna hope my improvised follower still works. This thing used to be a note card. So things just got pretty rockin'. Okay. So I'm gonna tell myself we're starting from the left. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, come on, 5. Yeah, there's 5. Huh, guess the keychain wasn't that good. And on the... What the hell are my tweezers? Up in here, it's looking like we got a spool that ran away. Hey, spoilers, it's like 4 spools and a serrated that are falling out all over me. That's why putting it back together is a little bit easy. Spool. Spool. And these tiny little weak sauce serrations. I don't even know if you can see them. Camera ain't gonna focus on that thing. And another spoiler, all the springs are the same. So you know what, we got no surprises there. But for the sake of completion, we'll throw them up out on the tray. and get Mr. Samsung to show you all about them. The key pins are normal, and I got 4 spools and serrated. So now we're going to try and put this ugly hump back together. We are going to start by reminding myself which end of this this thing does the thing. It's probably this way. It could be that way. You know what? I'm not sure. That could very well explain why the back end has been kind of goofy. You know what? We'll find out. We'll do it live. In fact, the cool part with this one is I'm pretty sure I can use its core as its own follower. Oh, look at that. I've learned something. If you put it in backwards, the shit doesn't go. Rad. And although it looks like I should be able to drop the key pins in from the top, but let's find out. Let me take one of these key pins, key pin number 1, and just drop it in. All right. So that make my life a little easier. Score. Orientation's good. So spring number 1 goes in that little bitty hole. Spool number 1. Come on. Spool number 1 is stuck in my tweezers. Now we cram that shit in. Oh boy. Okay, I'm going to try another helpful trick. Poke it in through the top. Alright. Now that I've got it started, things should go a little easier. Springy boy's gone crooked. Springs all the way in. Spool goes that way. Gonna jam it in there and pinch it shut. Alright. Pin number 2 is good. Three. Spool number 3. That one I got in with just the tweezers. Pin number 4. buddy. Get your ass in there. And then our last one is that little weak sauce serrated. All right. I believe I've noticed something very important. Gonna have to do this again with the follower probably. Otherwise all of these pins are gonna get in this little groovy zone, and that is the opposite of what I want. Unless, holy crap, I'm learning more stuff. If you put the key in, you can rotate it all the way around. Yes. So now with the key in, we're going to confirm. Pin number 1 goes there. I'm making sure to put the roundified end down. I hear that's a thing. Alright, now we got pin number 5. So that is a good thing. Now we're gonna try the snap ring. Which is a pain in the butt to get off, but just press fits right in. Alright, I turned it upside down. Just kidding. Okay, now we got this this rockin' trial and error. So I'm going to use another big brain move and try to match the bitting. So if I have a deep cut, I know that's where this this tiny little boy needs to be. It's probably going to be a 3. That's 3. Then 1 looks pretty shallow. That's not how you do it. Yeah, that's 1. And this long one is 2. Yeah, it is. Alright, so we're not going to do that again. We're going to turn it the correct way. And we're going to see if it gives me the key back. Holy crap. Now we're going to see if I got the actuator in the correct direction. Although you shouldn't be able to mess that up, now should you? Alright, things are looking optimistical. Yep. There is one direction that little nut can go. And we're going to see if I catch the threading the first time around. Alright, we're secure. Another sweet top tip I've heard is to make sure that the key turns and the actuator does its thing before you actually seal the shackle. That too may be important. We're going to shut it. Key turns, shackle pulls. Alright, so thank you for 15 minutes of your time. Have a good one.